So once we have dispelled the myth that there are people who will pay for electricity and others will not, we can then make responsible contributions to our government and for its sustenance. It would seem that national government must come to the party and really intervene here. National government cannot afford to leave the local governments to fend for themselves in this situation. They have to help by providing subsidies to cushion the blow that is being felt by ordinary people who are having to foot the bill for electricity. There are poor people who are in the majority. There are pensioners who are in the majority. And we need to be very sensitive to the fact that the majority of this country are the poor. They are the ones who live in the city and use unfriendly methods which will generate pollution in order to be able to cook. They will cook outside, they will use paraffin, they will use methods that are polluting the environment, and it is prudent for government to intervene because some of these people are tenants who cannot afford to purchase property to be able to work in the city. They will be in informal settlements, they will be renting out rooms and not being able to enjoy the basic decency of accessing power, clean electricity, right in the middle of the city. Any decent government would intervene and enable its citizens to cushion the blow.